Marilee Fiebig, TJ Holmes' ex, is seen carrying roses in her first photo since the Amy Robach affair. TJ, 45, filed for divorce from Marilee in December 2022, 1 month after his affair with his co-host became public, and Marilee has remained low-key ever since until today. Marilee, TJ's ex, was observed wandering through New York City without a wedding ring on Thursday. She dressed down in a stylish long black coat, a white turtleneck with ruffled sleeves, and black leather shoes. Her curly hair flew in the breeze, and she appeared to be in excellent spirits as she walked down the street, flashing a huge grin. Marilee seemed to have a lot to be happy about. She was carrying a bright red bouquet of roses in one arm. It's unclear who sent the flowers, but the beautiful bouquet has some admirers wondering maybe TJ isn't the only one who's moved on. His ex-nail's wife's were the same color as the flowers she held in her arm. She also appeared to be wearing non-marital jewelry, including earrings that dropped down along either side of her face. TJ and Marilee had been married for over a decade when his romance with Amy, 45, became public. A month later, he officially filed the divorce papers. Sabine, their 10-year-old daughter, is the couple's only child. Divorce story. Because of the circumstances surrounding their breakup, things between the troubled ex-couples could turn ugly. Lisa Zeiderman, a New York divorce attorney and partner at Miller Zeiderman, exclusively informed the U.S. Sun that TJ's affair could have a negative impact on their upcoming custody fight. According to the legal expert, one of the primary problems that may arise throughout the case is the damage his suspected affair may have had on his daughter. I don't think this lack of privacy, and the extent to which a parent has contributed to that lack of privacy, would be useful in a custody fight, Lisa added. Your child is a member of a community, and you don't want them to have to deal with those concerns when they go to school or are with their friends or any of those kinds of things. I believe that judgment is essential. I don't think it's so much about the affair as it is about how it harmed your child's best interests. The specialist went on to warn that an affair would have a significant influence on any child, even Sabine, who just turned 10. Lisa went on to say that some of the issues that can come up in court include: what effect did their connection have on their capacity to parent? Did they make decisions to be with the person with whom they are having extramarital affairs, when they might have been with their children? Was there a reduction in the quantity of time they spent with their child? Furthermore, the court may consider if money was spent on an alleged affair that could have been saved for one's family. There is also the issue of equitable distribution, or what we call wasteful asset dissipation. The question then becomes, were you wasting assets as a result of your affair? Were you paying for goods, gifts, lavish luxury items, and so on, and does that need to be accounted for in the marital pie? Lisa elaborated. Marilee has recruited a second strong attorney as she prepares to challenge her ex in New York family court, as previously reported by the U.S. Sun. Marilee signed on Farah Rodriguez, a lawyer who recently made partner at her firm, Phillips Nizer LLP in Manhattan. The move came as she geared up for what could be a nasty court battle with her ex, TJ. Both he and his apparent now-girlfriend Amy were removed from GMA3 and sidelined during a lengthy investigation into their workplace conduct. It was recently announced that the coupled-up former co-hosts have officially been given the boot by the network. Marilee, who herself works as an attorney, brought Farah onto her team just 1 day after her other lawyer Stephanie F. Lehman, who is also a partner at the same firm, ordered that TJ file an official divorce complaint. Farah's strong resume includes more than a decade of expertise working with challenging divorces and family law issues. Farah is skilled at representing clients during this distressing time in their lives by compassionately and confidently seeking solutions to the complex challenges they frequently face, according to her bio.